Hey guys, welcome to the fourth part of Beginner's Path to the Primavera P6. In this part, we will discuss that how you can make your own organization calendar. As everyone know that project planning and scheduling rotate around time duration and resources. So calendar plays a very important role here. Primavera offers us three basic type of calendar: global calendar, project calendar, and resource calendar. Global calendar suits to run the whole system of organization. Project calendar is suitable for a short project timeline, while in resource calendar we guys can keep our all resources in line. Now let's see how we can add our own enterprise calendar in Primavera P6. Move to the enterprise, select calendar. Here we have three type of calendar in Primavera P6: global, resource, and project. Go to the add calendar, copy the format of your calendar. Construction companies usually follow 24/7 working format because project lines are very short. Enter the calendar name, which in case of my company is Punjab Construction. Set it to default. For your projects, modify to enter working and non-working hours. Go to detail work hours per day, as we work 24/7. So we will provide breakfast, lunch, and dinner hours off in our working schedule. Usually, construction companies work on employee rotation system. Employees usually get their leave after 6 to 4 working weeks. So providing weekends is not necessary, but we have to provide public holidays as per local government rules. In Pakistan, 14 August is Pakistan Independence Day. That was so simple, and you have done. Press OK. Thank you. Please do promote my videos. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon for the further videos.